Hey guys, this is CJ from Sixty.com. Today I'm going to show you how to shuffle your table column-wise or row-wise without using any Excel functions directly online. So here you go to Sixty.com/shuffle-table and then you scroll down and you input your data. You configure your data if it's shuffled column-wise or row-wise, and then you click on shuffle, and then it will shuffle your data based on your input. So let's see how this looks with the real data. I have here prepared some example data. I'm gonna select them, copy them, and paste them into the input. And then I'm gonna say shuffle column-wise. So whenever I click shuffle, they are only shuffled from top to bottom, not left to right. But if I click row-wise, then they will shuffled from left to right only. And when this is the right result that you want, then you click on download, and then you have the data locally in your Excel, and then you can continue edit this or forward to other people. Once you download the file, you need to click on enable editing, and then you can continue edit your data. Thanks for watching.